Welcome back. So still on complex number. Now we are going to conversion from degree to radian. So if you are given your theta in form of degree and you are told to convert it to radian, how do you go about it? It has a formula. So your radian, the formula will be your radian is equals to what? That will be theta multiplied by pi over 180 degree. Put this formula in your head. Theta multiplied by what? Pi over 180 degree. So if you are told to convert to radian, this is the formula you use. So in the next video, I will show you how you convert from radian back to degree, how you convert from radian back to degree. Now, let's pick an example. Let's pick one example. Example. It says convert the following to radian. So we have to convert the following to radian. Now we are given 1. We are given 30 degree. 2. We are given 45 degree. Then 3. We are given 330 degree. And 4. We are given 360 degree. So you can go on and on. Whatever you were given, even if it is in degree and you are told to convert it to radian, just follow the same procedure. You are going to arrive at the same answer. So you are going to arrive at the answer. So solution now. Solution. Now let me pick for the first one. I was given 30 degree. Don't forget that will be, I was given 30 degree. Don't forget that's my what? Theta, right? It's in form of theta. You know, when it's given in degree, it is in form of what? Theta. So I'm to convert the following to radian, meaning it is given in what? In degree, right? So I want to convert it to what? To radian. So how do you go about it? Don't stress yourself. To get the formula, it is just theta multiplied by pi over what? 180. So what is the formula we are using? That is to get our radian, that will be theta multiplied by pi over 180 degree. So what's our pi? What's our theta? Our theta is 30 degree. Then you say multiply by pi over 180 degree. So what will happen? 30 here 1, right? 30 in 180 will give us what? 6. So what will be our answer? That will be pi over 6. You know, pi times 1 will give us pi, then over 6. And this is how you get your radian. I don't know if you get what I'm trying to say. So that's just all. Now let's go to question 2. I have 45 degree. That's my theta, right? 45 degree. So what is the formula? Radian is equal to theta multiplied by pi over 180 degree. So whenever you are giving it in form of degree, just use the formula theta multiplied by pi over 180 degree. You get your answer in radian. So that's 45 degree, right? Multiplied by pi over 180 degree, right? So what do you now do? 45 in 180 will give you what? 45 in 180. So that will give us 4, right? So that will give us 4. So what will be your answer? Our answer will be what? Pi, you know, here is 1. 45 here 1. 45 here what? 4. Pi times 1 is what? Pi over what? 4. And this is how you get your answer. Do you get? So let's go for the third one. The third one, we have our theta to be 330 degree, right? So that will be pi. This is the formula, multiplied by pi over 180. So that will be 330 degree multiplied by pi over 180 degree, right? So yeah, can 330 divide 180? No, but what can go? Now let's try. 180 divided by 30. So what can go in 330 and can go in 180? That's what? 30, right? Let's try. 330 divided by 30 will give us what? 11. So 330 here, 11. 330 here will give us what? 30 in 330 will give us 11. Then 30 in 180 will give us what? 6. Will give us 6. So what will be our answer? Pi times 11 will give us what? That will give us 11 pi over 6. And this is how you get the answer. Do you get? You know, we are given theta as 330 degree. So if you want to convert it to radian, that will be 330 degree multiplied by pi over 180. 330 cannot divide 180. So what can go in 330 and can go in 180? That will be what? 30. 30 in 330 will give us what? 11. Then 30 in 180 will give us what? 6. That will be 11 times pi is what? 11 pi. Then over 6. And that's how you get that. So try for question 4, which is 360 degree, and drop the answer in the comment section. Don't forget to like this video and share this video. Thank you.